Hello, magandang araw. So, ngayon gagawa tayo ng homemade eggnog cookies. So, ito muna yung una kong ipe-prepare yung pan natin. So, pahidan muna natin siya ngayon ng butter. Kung matagal na tong walang laman, ganyan lang mga tira-tira. Pero hindi ko tinapon kasi nga alam kong magagamit. Katulad ngayon, pahidan natin itong ating pan. Wala kasi akong rectangular pan. So, kung ano lang ang meron, yun lang ang ating gagamitin. O, see, diba? Nasaid natin yung margarine. Walang nasayang. Lagay tayo ngayon ng parchment paper. So, yan. Ang ganda. Pikit na pikit siya. Yan. Wow. Okay. So, ready na. So, set aside muna natin ang ating pan. Here are the ingredients needed. This is 1 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon baking powder. This is half cup powdered sugar. I have here vanilla. We'll be needing half teaspoon vanilla. 2 medium-sized eggs. This is 2.5 tablespoons of melted margarine. But if you have butter, butter will do. I have here a bowl and a whisk. The powdered sugar. Then the butter or the margarine. The 1 teaspoon vanilla. Next, we'll add up the 1 cup all-purpose flour. Then we'll add up the baking powder. Be sure there are no lumps in the mixture. This is the consistency that we are looking for. So this is ready to be transferred to our piping bag. So here is the tip. This is just a small piping tip. Now I will use a star design piping tip, which is more efficient than using a small tip. There you have it. We have finished our 2 circular pans. Then we will put inside the oven for 16 to 20 minutes. Depende, kapag nag-light brown na ang edges, pwede na natin siyang alisin from the oven. So, timer starts now. So, ito na guys, ang ating eggnog cookies. Hinango ko na from the oven. 16 minutes. Hinango ko na kasi nakita ko na tong pan na to, na hawak ko. Nag-light brown na yung edges. And then, nung kinuha ko yung isang pan, ito, medyo parang hindi pa siya luto. Compare dito sa isang to. So, pareho ko siyang inilabas from the oven. 16 minutes ang nakalipas. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, itong isang medyo lighter pa ang kulay, ibabalik natin siya sa oven for another 3 to 5 minutes. Pero depende pa rin. We will observe kung magla-light brown na yung edges. Pag nag-light brown, then that's the time we will remove it from the oven. Pwede rin kasing maging factor na medyo makapal yung pan na ginamit ko dito, kaya medyo matagal-tagal siyang maluluto. So, ito namang isang ito na luto na, we will let this cool down para madali na natin siyang matanggal from the pan. So, we'll check this one. This is cool already. Wow, nice, perfect. So, if you see, the edges has turned light brown, then it's okay already. You can bring it out from the oven. See? It's perfectly cooked. Guys, if you don't have powdered sugar, the regular white sugar will do. You can use that also. And if you don't have parchment paper, okay lang din na wag gumamit ng parchment paper. Pahida na lang ng oil ang pan. Pero it is easier for you to detach the cookies from the pan if you have parchment paper. So, yan ang ating finished product. Tikman natin. Ganda niya. Ang ganda ng pagkakaluto. Sarap. Hindi siya matamis. Saktong-sakto lang. Sarap. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Gawa ka na rin ng homemade eggnog mo na pwede mo ring mapagkitaan. Well, that's all for this video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag may bago tayong uploaded na video. Thank you for watching!